Lately I've been writing new definitions to different words. Well, the ones that she says when she gets mad, well, you know that we've always heard. We get along much better now that I understand what the hell it was she really meant. Now you're always being seldom, he never says once in a while. Get away from me means come a little closer somehow. And you're drunk, you smell like a bar. Says she's just glad to see I'm home. So far you don't do anything, says everything to me. If always really meant always, then I'd never be around. And if never really meant never, I'd still be way uptown. You might think I'm crazy, and it might be a sin, but these new definitions are really gonna help us mend. So now you're always mean seldom, he never says once in a while. Get away from me means come a little closer somehow. And you're drunk, you've been out all night, means you're just glad I made it home alright. Anything says everything to me. Always means seldom, he never says once in a while. Get away from me means come a little closer somehow. And you're drunk, you smell like a bar. Says she's just glad to see I'm home so far. Anything means everything to me. Yes, you don't do anything, means everything. We've got to bring back the family farms, bring back the tractors, bring back the plows, bring back the mothers singing in the barn, making hay with the children, never did you no harm. For years, the USA thrived because of our agricultural infrastructure was the best in the world, the foundation which our forefathers based the economy. Listen, the small family farms supported the little villages and schools. They carried the larger towns, which in turn supported the megalopolises with all the jobs and work if anybody wanted it. Now, since the government didn't step in and help the backbone of its nation by standing by and watching 90% of its farmers lose everything. No stimulus, no bailout, no help out, just get out. So we left with the tears in our eyes. Lo and behold, a few years later, there's layoffs, no work, stores are closing, 10 cities, houses lost, what a pity. We've got to bring back the family farms. We got to bring back the family farms. Bring back the fathers working in the fields, praying for the weather to turn to help out his yield. what we gotta do, America. If you're a young father with a good wife and some kids, you know how to give them the best life that you can. Take that leap of faith, sell your house and get a loan. 120 acres that you can call home. Get 40 head of stock, you'll be solid as a rock. I know my father, he didn't regret it at all. We've got to bring back the family farm. Bring back the horses, bring back the cows. Bring back the mothers singing in the barns, teaching their children the ways of the farm. Duluth, I was raised in my youth, and I'm going back one day to play the blues. Back to Duluth. Well, Duluth is where old Dylan cut his first tooth, and he went back to play the blues. Back to Duluth. Sitting down by the lighthouse wall, you can watch the big ships roll in. My Coney Island baby, she be holding my hand. She knows Skyline Drive was meant for romance. Well, Duluth, I'll come rolling, honey, straight back to you, to my home city on that bay. I love you, Duluth. I tried to find something that rhymes with superior. The only thing I could come up with was inferior. They might get mad, but that's okay, 'cause the folks over there, they cheer for Green Bay. Well, Duluth, I come rolling, people, back to you, to my favorite harbor city on that bay. I love you, Duluth. Well, Duluth, I was raised there in my youth, and I'm going back one day to play the blues. Back to Duluth. Yes, I'm going back one day, back to Duluth. The 09 flood had these two small cities in peril. Didn't want to be remembered like the Edmund Fitzgerald. Well, the Fed said, get out of town tonight. But the mayor says we ain't leaving without a fight. And the river rose up, and the people rose up, come from miles around to save our town. Yeah, the river rose up and the people rose up. They come from miles around to save our town. You know, the Lord's been using the river for years to bring people together. I know John the Baptist, he didn't mind using it at all. And if you were a volunteer at the dome or down by the town, you were blessed whether you know it at all. Yeah, the river rose up and the people rose up. They come from all around to save our town. Ah, the river rose up and the town rose up. They come from miles around to save our town. Well, one of the sand lines, I seen a minister passing off to a biker, and he was in line with a 8th grade girl, and she was passing off to an NDSU football player, and he was handed to her National Guard. And he was next to a retired police officer from California who seen it on TV and drove thousands of miles. Yeah, the river rose up and the people rose up. They come from miles around to save our town. Ah, the river rose up, but the people rose up. They came from miles around to save our town. They came from miles around to save this little Red River Valley towns. Gave me the evil. No woman's done that to any man. Gave me the evil. No woman's never done that to any man. And I just can't go on living in your land of evil blue. The gods and demons here, some of which I'd never want to meet. Some I hope that you never have to meet. not like them friendly backstabbers. You might be late one night in an alley on a New Orleans street. Yeah, you're getting out of evil blue. Lord, no woman's done that to any man. Yeah, you give me your evil blue. Lord, I'll never get messed up with anyone like you again. And I just can't go on living in the land of the no, I